Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add YouTube channel description. Okay, let's go to the video. Let's go to youtube.com, then click on your channel icon. After that, click on your channel, then click on customize channel. Then click on basic info. Here you can put your channel description here. It should be about your channel, what you are going to do on your channel. Add a simple description about your channel to see your viewers. You can put anything about your channel. Okay, I'm going to put my channel description here. I previously typed it, then I here copy paste from Word document. Then okay, that's it. Then click on publish. To add channel description in another language, you can do that here, and here you can select your language and put your description from that language. Also, let's see our channel description on our channel. Okay, click on new channel and go to about. Click on about. Here you can see channel description, how your viewers see your channel descriptions. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.